Alright guys, so we're driving through Bahia and we're gonna go look through the big waves in Maui, Hawaii. Alright, we're gonna come.
No,
They're like,
get ready. No, we're just starting.
Oh, I gotta see some big waves.
yeah, 50 footers. Here you go.
No, that's 50 feet, right? It just
Those-
looks smaller from where we are.
Look up ahead of us. You can't even see the ocean. There's so
What?
much.
No, that looks like clouds.
I know. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen it like this in years. It's so misty. You gotta. That's insane.
No, this is so cool.
Oh!
Oh.
Whoa! Over here!
Oh, no, that's a 50-footer. Yeah?
Dang. Did you see
Look at that
that?
barrel. Look at that barrel.
Oh, keep us closed. Lifeguards are there, just watching, taking videos. She's completely closed up.
Do not go to Home Depot. It's closed. The Jaws.